If you've got one or more devices that you take out with you when you are using your digital SLR or video camera, whether it be a field monitor to allow you to have a little bit bigger picture of what's going on, or to power a light so you get a little illumination just to kind of help take out the shadows, then this is a charger you're going to want to have. Now, that is made specifically for the Sony NP battery series. I've tried the battery that came with my field monitor, and this is primarily what it gets used on, but it simply works. Now, the charger indication on this one is a little different. So if you have a problem with distinguishing between green and yellow, to pick an example, I can show you a trick on how to handle that one. So when you got one battery in there, we'll just lean over here and I'll plug the charger in and you'll see it start to work its magic here a bit. Now we'll get in a little bit closer and I'm going to get you in as close as we can. You'll notice that the battery's plugged into channel 2 and now it's red, but if you can't distinguish between the channel 1 and channel 2 with only one channel having a battery in it, then this is going to be an easy way to do it, because especially in a little bit of a darkened room, it's going to make itself a little easier to look at. And as we back out here, now there is a notation on here that it has each battery slot labeled. They're just to the left here, and there's a little more information here that's kind of hard to read with that, but it will at least let you know. So if the battery, when you plug it in and you don't see the charger go into a charge state within a few seconds after plugging the charger in, this is going to be a good indication that you may very well have a dead battery. You can also do a secondary testing step and make sure that you try the other battery channel on the charger just to make sure that you haven't had a channel problem show up. I've never had that happen, but I'm just trying to come up with some options for you to help be able to do some testing before you have to make a decision about buying more batteries or replacing the charger, or at least knowing which way to proceed. I've been very happy with this one. I've had this one for several weeks and have been using it quite a bit. So this is one that definitely, if you have something that uses the Sony NP batteries, you should be well pleased with this one. And it gives you a way of charging two batteries at the same time. So depending on how much shooting you're doing, you may want to have a third battery, or you can always have one battery in the charger. So that's equally an option as well. So take a close look at this one. I think you'll be very pleased with it.